So it's not that I don't like to buy things, it's just that I don't like to spend my own money. Hello and or welcome back. I'm Linda. I like to make things with my hands and I love to do it. That might be my intro. Let's go with that. So this video, what is this video about? I follow this girl called Tina Lee and she does really cool videos on making things as well. And a couple months ago I saw her make, well actually more like upcycle, like a pot where she put cork all around it and basically made it into something else. So I was like, this is good. So essentially I saw this vase here. I was wanting to do that and I didn't want to pay that price for it, so I thought how can I not pay that price for it? So what did I do? I went to IKEA. Now you know IKEA has those kind of, if you know IKEA, you know they've got these kind of, in the plant section they've got lots of these vases that are like £2, that are like clearish glass. So I got one that had like a black tint on it and it was like £2. And I thought, this could be something that we Tina Lee. And so yeah, I followed her instructions and kind of made my own thing with it. But essentially I now have this. And so this video is showing you how to upcycle cheap items for your home. I still don't have a transition thing, so let's go to tutorial. That was stupid, but let's go. Hello from voiceover Linda. So this is the IKEA vase I was talking about. It was actually £2. I got it in the light grey tint, but it doesn't matter, I'm covering it anyway. So the first thing I did was clean it. So cleaning the surface means kind of just getting rid of all the grease, and one of the best things to use is rubbing alcohol, relatively inexpensive. And it just helps us get ready for the next step. Then we need to prep the surface. I used some sandpaper here. It really is just to kind of dull it, to get rid of the shine and whatever glaze will possibly on it, so that when it comes to the next step, that it sticks to it properly. And this was my adhesive of choice. I used silicone sealant, sort of like a cork, and I got this from, where did I get this from? Juicens, I think. And yeah, it needed a few appliances to get it on, but it was really, really cheap and a great way to kind of get something on that would be sticky enough to make some texture. Now a great thing about this cork is that, or silicone, is that you can use your fingers to kind of make patterns and grooves into it, so you can get kind of achieve your desired effect really. Then next step is actually getting the texture on. So I used some play sand that you find in like sand pits. So it was quite fine, and looking back, I think I maybe should have used a bit thicker sand, but it was fine. And this step literally is about applying it liberally all over the vase. And we're outside. I'm going to decorate this vase using spray paint, and so okay, yep, the UK sky, this was the height of summer. So yeah, I will be spraying this, as you can see, so I had to be outside. There was no way I could have done this indoors. for about an hour, and here we are. This is the finished product. It looks great, doesn't it? Just to kind of show you at the bottom here, when I meant around making grooves and patterns, I did that with my fingers, and so you kind of get different styles and patterns, and it looks absolutely brilliant. The where you saw kind of all these speckled white bits is where the sand kind of pulled away. So I would say a learning was that I had to then spray some kind of like adhesive over it, so like a acrylic sealant over it, which held it all together. So you might need to do that if you choose to kind of do something like this, just to make sure that the sand stays on, or get thicker sand. So I hope you enjoyed that and learned something from it. I'm definitely still getting lots of tips and tricks from people on YouTube and kind of all over, so I will continue to share my findings and share kind of what I'm doing with my home. I will be back next week. I'm going to try and keep consistent. This is the thing I'm going to do every week. I'm going to come back and do another one. So if you want to see more, I will be posting more, but in the meantime, do check out Dunelm. She's got some great videos on all this stuff, and I watch her a lot. So until next time, bye. I don't even know if the background is backgrounding. Well.